Clock start. Clock start. When I create a data set, generally where the data will get saved? Why? Default. Why is default? When I execute the program in the log window, we can see text like this. And when I execute the program, if it contains an output, that information output will appear in a certain way. Why? The reason for this one is we are going to have a certain global settings. Because of the global settings, the SAS will appear in a particular manner. It is going to work in a particular manner. I'll give you a simple example. When you purchase the television set for the first time, when you install it, when you try to operate, when you open, it is going to be a default volume. It is going to have a default volume, maybe 10 or 15 or 20. It is going to have a default color, default brightness, default contrast, default sound mode, isn't it? So we are going to have the default settings, and those default settings are called as the global settings. Understand? If you don't like the setting, what you will do? You will change it for the same requirement, your interest. If you don't like the color, you will increase or decrease the color, you will increase the sound or decrease the sound, you change the sound mode, you will increase or decrease the brightness or contrast, whichever you want, you can do that. In the same way, why is SAS is appearing like this one? Because SAS is appearing like this one because it is a cumulative effect of some options. When the options can stay, options affect the volume SAS is condition. Now if you don't like that one, you can change it. By the way, what are the options that we have? Understand? What are the global options settings that we have? System settings that we have. If you want to know the global settings or system settings, system options, we use a procedure called proc options. The procedure we use proc options. So in today's class, we are going to discuss about the proc options. Okay? What is proc options we do? Proc options will print all the available global options in the log window. It displays system options in the log window. What are the systems options that we have? I want to know that. If you want to know that one, the simple procedure that we can write is proc options semicolon run. Run semicolon. Now if we select the program, input the program, now it is going to execute and what are all the global options or system options that are available right now, all these options will be printed in the log window. Can you see? On the left side, we have an option name, on the right side, we have a definition and the value of each and every option. We have around 1,000 options, it is going to print all the 1,000 options. On the left side, option name right side definition. So now SAS is appearing in a certain way and in this way because it is effect of all these 1,000 options. In all these options today, when SAS is condition. Understand? So if you want to see these options in the log window, what is the procedure you should write? Proc options semicolon run. Okay, and these are the options that we have. On the left side we have an option name, on the right side we have the definition of that one. Say for example, I'll show you a few options. There is an option called center. We are going to use this one. There is an option called no cache. We are also going to use that one. And there are certain options we use it in the real time. Okay. Now, on the left side I'm getting every option name. On the right side I'm getting the definition. I do not want to have the detailed information. I want to have just a short list of all the options. I mean, in the detailed information too, whatever options available, I want to have a short list. If you want to get only the short list, what we are going to do? Now we are going to write proc options. I am going to mention an option called short semicolon run. Now, you will not get the detailed information, we are going to get just a short list. Now, go to the log window, but can you see the log window what we have? Just we have a paragraph of all the available options. Left side of option right side of value, definition, and if I short and we are going to get just a short list. That's one paragraph. Understand this one? Now, I do not want to see all the options. I want to see what are the groups we have. Few options will come from one group. I want to see the groups only. If you want to see the groups, now we are going to write proc options, list the groups. Semicolon run. Now select the program, input the program. Now you will log in the row, you will not get all the individual options now. What we are going to get? We are going to get what are the groups that are available in options. On the left side, group is equal, we have a group name. On the right side, we have the label for the group. So in groups like email ఉంటుంది, SQL ఉంటుంది, macros ఉంటుంది, error handling, log control. This is okay. Macros ఉంటుంది, animation, SQL, email, all these are group names. Understand this, sir? So error handling is one group. SQL is going to be health is one group, IDMS is one group, graphics is one group. So group is equal to group name. On the right side, we are going to have a definition of the group, label of the group. If you want to get only groups, what are the options you write? List groups. Now I want to know what are the options that are available in one specific group, one particular group. Either of the group any options are covered. If you want to know that one, now we are going to specify proc options. Group is equal to the group name. Group is equal to, I want to know about, say for example, a group called log control. I'm writing group is equal to log control, semicolon. Now if I select the program, export the program, now in the log window, can you see what we have? We have options about only the log control, not the everything. Even then only log control, some of the options are even there. Now I want to know about what are the options that are available in macro. If you want to know about the group macro, what I should write now? I'm going to specify options. Group is equal to, I'm writing macro, now semicolon run. Now we are going to have information about only macro options in the log window. Only macro options. Now, so if you want to know about any specific group, what are the options you write now? Group is equal to the group name. Like if the group of that, I want to know about only specific option. 1,000 options for either option which are fixed. If you want to know about any specific option, now we are going to specify proc options. Option is equal to option name. And then proc options, option is equal to, I want to have an option in, say for example, year cutoff. I'm writing year cutoff. Now if I select the program, equal the program. Now in the log window, now I will come to, I'm going to have information about only one option, that is called year cutoff. Can you see? We have only information about year cutoff. And then we have a specific option with this one going to grow. You are going proc options. Option is equal to, I want to know about the line size. I'm writing else. If it's an equivalent, now write the run set. Now we put the program now. I will not have about all the options. I'm going to have only one option, which is the line size. Base size of options only. I want to know about the base size. Base size will call it equal. We should write proc options. Option is equal to base size BS. Semicolon. If you deal with it in the log window, only base size opening out only. Now see, I'm executing the program. I'm going to have information about the base size. But already we are getting this information about in only one line. But I want to have a detailed information. Base size will change. I have a complete information covered. If you want to have a detailed and complete information, then we are going to use an option called define. Now define option is going to bring the complete information about that specific option. Now can you see base size only information is already. Now we have around 15 lines of information. Complete information. But I do not want to have a detailed information. I want to know about what is the value of option. Option value to predict its full name. If you want to know that one, I'm going to specify proc options. Option is equal to, say for example, I'm writing year cutoff. I want to know about only the value. I'm going to use value option now. Now if I put the program, you will not have a detailed information. We are going to have only what is the value of that option. What is the value right now that we have? The value that we have here is 1926. So if you do not want to have any information, if you want to have only the value of that option, we should write that. Now tell me, what is the purpose of proc options procedure? If you want to display all the global SaaS options that is available in this SaaS 9.4, what is the program you should write? Procedure you should write? Proc options and equivalents. By default, what we are going to have? By default, we are going to have, by default, we are going to have expand. On the left side of the option, right side, the details about the option. This is the default. Expand. I do not want to have expand information. I want to have only short list. Remember what is the option that we have written? Only short list of all the options covered. You understand it? Short. But I do not want to know about the individual options. I want to know what are the groups that we have. We should write list groups. I want to have only one specific group. What we should write? Group is equal to group name. Okay. I want to have only specific option. Then what we should write? Option is equal to option name. And then I want to have the detailed information about the option. What we should write? Define. I do not want to have the detailed information. I want to know only the value. Should write that. These are part of options, but we have in proc options procedure. Understand? So what is the use of proc options? As a SAS programmer, if you want to know what are the options that are available, by using this one you can understand. And real time is using as a programmer, we can go to any real time that we use on. But now, what are these options? How we use these options? How these options can control the SAS environment? So now, there are around 20 global options that we use very regularly in the real time. We discuss about those 20 options in today's class. In future, if I come across any global options, I will let you know what are the global options, how we should use. Okay. Now we are going to say around the 20 global options, how we control the SAS, how we can change them. Okay. Now I'm closing the session now, and I'm ready to print the session again. Okay. Now I want to print the SAS at that class. Do you know how to print the SAS at that class? Proc print data is equal to SAS and semicolon. If I do the program, I'm going to get the print and output window, and I will also get the print and result window. Now see, you see, we are getting an output window and a result window also. But I'm more interested in today's class an output window. In an output window, whenever you give the print, along with the print, on the right side top here, I'm getting today's date and time. If you go a little bit further, we are going to get the page number. Can you see what the page number? Because today is the first print in this session, page number is 1. And I'm going to get today's date and time because right now just I given print. So I'm getting 8 o'clock 51 May, Wednesday, May 10, 2023. In a print to 1 week back, I was out of station, out of office, I couldn't be able to print. Now today I'm thinking. Even when there's an 8 or something below, so that is the next transition. I do not want to print the date at all. I do not want to print the date. Why we are getting the date? Because by default we have a global option. It's a default. A global option around the day, we should write the options. By default, we are going to have a global option called date. Global option of the options and date, the local date. Every time, whenever you print any data set, automatically on the top right side, we are getting the date and time. Understand this one? Now I do not want to have the date and time. If you do not want to have the date and time, then what I am going to do? I am going to change the date to no date. No date. No date and option. If I execute this one statement, this is called a global option. Now it is the date is going to get turned up. So the date is turned up by they bring the proc print execute chapter. If I execute the proc print, now can you see in output window, am I going to get the date back down here? No. Because we suppressed the printing of date value. Understand this one? We suppressed the printing of the date value. ఈ ఎంతవరకు సప్రెస్ అవుతుంది ఒకసారి మీరు గ్లోబల్ ఆప్షన్స్ నోటేట్ రాసారనుకోండి మీ నోటేట్ ఎంతవరకు ఉంటుందంటే మీరు సెషన్ క్లోజ్ చేసే వరకు నోటేట్ ఉంటుంది మళ్ళీ మీరు డేట్ వన్ పని చేయాలి యూ షుడ్ క్లోజ్ ద సెషన్ అండ్ యూ షుడ్ రీఓపెన్ ద సెషన్ మళ్ళీ సెషన్ ఓపెన్ చేశారనుకోండి ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ కమ్ టు డిఫాల్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫాల్ట్ వాల్యూ డిఫాల్ట్ వాల్యూ ఇస్ డేట్ అదర్వైజ్ again if you want to get the date back again you should change no date to date you should execute this for one moment అయితే సెషన్ క్లోజ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి లేకపోతే ఏం చేయాలి నో డేట్ డేట్ మళ్ళీ ఇంకొకసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేశారనుకోండి నా ఫ్రమ్ ద వన్ again we are going to get the date see we are getting the date and time either you should close the session or you should change the time. But ఒకసారి నేను నోట్ పెట్టాను అనుకోండి ఇప్పుడు నేను నోట్ పెట్టి ఒకసారి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను ఇప్పుడు ప్రాపర్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసే డేట్ వస్తుందా రాదా you will not get the date now after some time there is no date after some time I'm writing one more program now I'm writing for example proper data is equal to I'm writing SAS help.5 now very important now I'm going to get the data
so here we are getting date or we are removing it but how to get date of required values in
data
cell value if we require if you require any specific date, how to get that, sir?
We'll see that for in future we are going to guidance in the guidance we can enter the SAS function. Okay. Data from the function which is this now. Okay. If I enter the proper am I going to get the SAS at that date value or not? No, because we have already changed that into no date, you will not get the date from no one. So the whole session is going to be no date. Then many the date value for multiple seconds or range and session process you can get later date options change that into date. Is it executed at point? Then you want to improve now it is going to be okay. And these are called global options. In the one of 3 types of programming step to serve data step, proc step, and the global statement to serve. What is the global statement data? Take one example for a global statement. Lib name statement or file name statement. Lib name across already. Library creates example. Are we going to within the data step or within a proc step or openly? Openly also. You can anywhere in the program. You can lib name, library reference name, then part of the folder make right to. You can enter the same program, same statement. If you want, you can also within the proc step. Or you can also within the data step. Extra also can execute. That's why this is called as a global statement. So you already know data step. If you start your program with the keyword of data step, if you start your program with the keyword of proc step, and global statements, example is lib name and file name, and now we have fourth one, which is called global options. How do you global options? Options, option name, semicolon. We write over here default name to options are data. There is one options are data, so I execute చేస్తాను execute చేసిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ డేటా ఆఫ్ proc print data is equal to SAS and dot class of symbol data print of the print column. It is going to get from now onwards. If this works only output window here. Now then if you do not want to have a date value, what we should do? Options, Sorry. No data graphs say date value outlet. And then pata value of student, what is this? Page number. I do not want to have this page number also. You know what? By default, we have number. That's the every time I'm getting a number. I do not want to have the number now. If I do not want to have the number, what we should do? I'm going to change that into no number. So if I do this program from now onwards, I will not get the date value and I'm not going to get the page number. So they will both are going to get suppressed and we are getting, plain report. And we will go for page number or range variable, close the session. Page number or range variable, close the session. Again, we open the session. Again, everything is going to come to default. And if I know proc print, if I run the data is equal to, now I'm writing a sans dot class, and then I'm writing, semicolon. Am I going to get the page number and the date value or not? Yes, because of session process removing this, automatically we are going to get the date and time, and we are going to get even the page number also. Page number first session, the first time, I'm going to get the page number 1. I want to have page number 10. Now we should write options. This is what the page number I'm getting now. Whatever the number that I have given, I'm going to get. If I want to have page number, say for example 15, what will I do? I'm getting page number is equal to 15. I'm going to get the page number 15 in output window. So if you want to get a specific page number, this is the page number is equal to that. Here I'm writing a proc options, proc print. Data is equal to sans and dot class. Semicolon. If I put the program, I'm going to get the print both in output window and in the result window. And by the way, by default, when you get the print, you will get this table in the center of the page. Page across the table, center also. In output window also, we are getting in the center. But I do not want to have in the center. By default, into center was the descending. In the by default, we are going to have options. We are going to have option called center. For example, center was the data variable. Now I'm going to specify no center. For certain no center, program is good. Now see what happened now? It is not coming in the center. Center or it is going to come to the side. But if the center current range variable, I just listen to it clearly. Label range variable, options. We should write center. Now I want to print the sample cut cards. I'm writing the card. So now since I'm printing in the center, it is not, I have to, drag it down, drag it up. Now this time, I'm changing that into no center, changing the no center and printing the data. Now see what happened now? Everything is going to come onto the left side. Tell me so far what are the options that we have seen? Default date. What are the ranges? Default what have that one? Default center. What is it? No center. Is it equal to whatever the number that you want to? We can write. On my desktop, I have a SAS folder. In that, I have a SAS data folder. In that, I have a text file called demo. Shift right click, copy as path, go to the program. I'm writing data, EMP data set. In file, the path of the text file, then input, EMP ID, name dollar symbol, age, $6 symbol, salary location semicolon. Do you have any mistake in this program? Take a no, location of character only, but I didn't specify dollar symbol. Location area of the area on the data, character on the Hyderabad, Chennai, Pune, but what we should write actually? Dollar symbol. Did I write the dollar symbol here? No. If you do not have a dollar symbol now in the log window, it is going to print underscore n underscore underscore error underscore. But actually I have a 23 observations, 23 records in the text file. But how many errors it is printing? Can you see? 20. Because can you see what is that we have here? Limit limit set by errors is equal to option reached. And by default, we put 10,000 observations, by default it is going to print only 20 errors in the document. Actually, we have errors in all the 23 observations. But how many observations it is printing now? Only 20. But I want to print all. Now, what is the option that we have? Can you see this one? Yeah, that's all. Now, I go back to the program. I am getting options, not getting errors is equal to max. I just want to get a maximum error. So now in the log window, can you see it is printing up to what? 23rd observation. And default ఎంత ఉంటుందండి 20 ఉంటుంది. If you want to change that one, errors is equal to the back.
मम्मी बुला रही जागे मम्मी
I'm writing prop print. Data is equal to SAS and dot cars. You know how many variables we have in the cars data set? We have 15 variables. And we have 428 of them. Now I'm printing that data set. Okay, in the result we are going to get, but if you go to the output window, we have got 15 variables. Okay, it cannot print, we couldn't able to print all the 15 variables in one line. 15 variables, okay, I will print it because there is a limit for page size. You can set the limit for line size 90. In the characters and write the limit on that. Since if we couldn't able to print all the variables in one line, so that means the entire observation in one line, what it is doing? It is printing the first 7 variables in one line. The remaining 8 variables, it is printing in the second line. Next line. Can you see what the observation number? 411. What are the variables that we have? Name, model, type, origin, drive time, MS, or why so? And this is also observation number. So that means this is a continuation of this observation. Okay, just imagine I asked you to write a 500 letters story, and if I give a short notebook, can you write all the 500 letters in one line? What can you do then? You will continue the next line. In the same way, it couldn't able to print the entire observation in one line. Most observation okay level print చేయలేకపోతుంది. కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తుందంటే it is printing the first 7 variables in one line, and the same observation now again 411 remaining 8 variables it is printing in another line. You know why? Because there is a limit for the line size. దీని ఏమంటారు మన line size అంటాం. Line size ఒక లిమిట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ని క్యారెక్టర్స్ మీరు రాయగలరు ఒక లిమిట్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లిమిట్ ఏంటి ఎంత ఉంది అదే తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ఇప్పుడు ప్రాప్ ఆప్షన్స్ ప్రొసీజర్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను ప్రాప్ ఆప్షన్స్ option is equal to what is that one? Line size. Now if I go to the program, if I go to the log window, now can you see what the current line size that we have? What the line size that we have? 102. That means we can write 102 characters in one line. That's why it couldn't able to print all the entire observation in one line, but I want to print entire observation in one line. If you want to print entire observation in one line, we have to increase the line size. How to increase the line size? How much you can give? ఇప్పుడు దాని గురించి నేను తెలుసుకోవాలనుకోండి చూడండి ఏం చేయాలి ప్రాప్ ఆప్షన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు లైన్ సైజ్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ an option by define if I put the program we are going to have a detailed information about the line size. Now can you see right now the value that we have 102, but somewhere here we are going to have what the minimum that we can keep 64 and what the maximum that we can have 256. That means you can write 256 characters maximum in one line. So right now we have a 102. I want to increase that one to now how to increase that one. Now I am writing options line size is equal to I want to print 200 characters. Default 102 ఉందండి నేను దాన్ని ఏం చేశాను చూడండి 200 ఇంక్రీజ్ చేశాను. ఇప్పుడు ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాను చూడండి now I'm writing prop print data is equal to SAS help dot hours semicolon. If I execute this one line, it is a global option from now onwards. The line size is going to be 200. Now if I put this program, can you see in output window? Can you see the entire observation is coming in one line. All the 50 variables are coming in only one line. So to increase the line size, ls is equal to the line number, the size. Minimum ఎంత ఉందండి 64 and the maximum 256. And this works only in the log window and in the output window.
Sir, your options both data set and proc step మీరు రెండిట్లో వర్క్ అవుతారు సార్.
This option affects output window and log window. Output window and log window affect చేస్తుంది. అది data step or proc step it doesn't matter. Okay, output window and log window. General output window ఏమొస్తుంది? If you have better result, isn't it? Since I'm giving the print, where will get that one in the output window? And the nodes and errors, everything where will get now in the log window. So log window also will get affected. Now if I use the program, of course I'm getting all the 50 variables in one line and output window, that is fine. But can you see how many observations it is printing in one line? Can you see? Here is starting observation number is 1. If there is in observation of this one, it is printing only 51 lines, 51 observations. That means there is a limit in page size also. Page inner lines print అవ్వాలి limit ఉంటుంది. ఆ limit ఎంత ఉంటుందంటే 56 ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ observation printing చూడండి. how many observations printing? 51 why? Because on the top we are missing one line you can paste it as in the system, SAS system 52, and we have one more blank at 53. variable A 54, again variable A 55, and we have one more blank like 55, so 56. So 5 lines wasted plus 51 observations, 51 plus 5 is equal to how many lines? 56 lines. And again we have any lines to print out the text for many lines are options. Option is equal to this area of the base size. Base size was now sorry program it could just say, can you say what is the current default value that we have? And then the default value now 56. Now minimum entire calculation 50 maximum 5,767. You know, in the Samsung cards we have 420 observations. I want to print all the 420 observations in one page. Now I want to increase the page size to 500. Now how we can do that one? In the same global option statement, I'm writing page is equal to page size is equal to I'm writing 500. Now if I input the program, you know what is going to happen? Now can you see the output window? We are getting all the 15 values in one line and at the same time all the 420 observations in one page. ఒకసారి నేను స్టోర్ చేస్తాను ఎక్కడ బ్రేక్ ఉంది చూడండి. Can you see all the 420 observations in one page? There is no break at all. Because right now the page size is 500 lines. You see, we have all the 500 observations, 420 observations in one page because right now the page size that we have the 500. I'm clearing the log window. Okay. Now I'm executing this program. The program executes the in the log window, it will print the code that we executed and it is also going to print the notes. Code ఏమో బ్లాక్ కలర్ వస్తుందండి. మీకు సబ్మిట్ చేసిన మీరు ప్రింట్ చేసిన ఏదైతే నోట్స్ ఉందో నోట్స్ ఏ కలర్ వస్తుందండి? బ్లూ కలర్. Now what I want to do, I do not want to print the code in the log window. ఎందుకంటే log window code print అయినప్పుడు see my code. I do not want to show it anywhere. So that person by default ఎందుకు code print అవుతుందంటే we are going to have global options. We are going to have an option called source and we are going to have option called notes. That's why whatever the code that we are writing, the code is going to print in the log window and since we have a notes, the notes is printing in the log. ఏం చేస్తారు చూడండి ఇప్పుడు సోర్స్ ని నో సోర్స్ గా చేంజ్ చేశారు. ఎప్పుడైతే నో సోర్స్ ని చేంజ్ చేస్తారు ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను ఇది లాగ్ విండో చూడండి నాకు ఏం ప్రింట్ అవుతుందంటే నోట్స్ ప్రింట్ అవుతుంది కానీ ద కోడ్ దట్ వాట్ వి హావ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ ప్రింట్. సార్ చూడండి నేను లాగ్ విండో మళ్ళీ క్లిక్ చేస్తాను ఎర్రర్ లేకుండా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాను చూడండి ఎర్రర్ లేకుండా ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాస్తాను బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా సోర్స్ నోట్స్ ఉంటుందండి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను ఒకసారి లాగ్ విండో చేస్తాను లాగ్ విండో ఏం ప్రింట్ అయితే చూడండి వి హావ్ ద కోడింగ్ yes this is the source code and this is the notes. మరి నాకు ఈ సోర్స్ కోడ్ ప్రింట్ అవ్వదు. నాకు ఓన్లీ నోట్స్ ఒకటే కావాలి. చూడండి ఒకసారి క్లిక్ చేస్తాను ఒకసారి ఏం చేస్తాను చూడండి అండ్ చేంజింగ్ దట్ ఇంటూ no source program execute చేస్తాను. See what happened in the log window? What we have? We don't have the codes. We have only notes. Now I do not want to have the notes also. So what I do? I'm changing that into no notes. If the program execute is not working, you will not get the code. You will not get the notes. Can you see the log window is clean? My pretty no. I'm writing changing that into like this. But tell me what is going to happen? It will print the code, but it will not print notes. See, it's going to print only the code. No notes. I'm deleting this one again. Now this time again I'm writing source and notes. Don't tell me, it is going to print both the code and the information notes also. Can you see? We are getting both. Tell you what are the options that we have seen so far? Page size, sorry, line size is equal to ఎంత ఉందండి minimum? 64. maximum ఎంత ఉందండి? Right now ఎంత ఉందండి డిఫాల్ట్గా? Page size minimum ఎంత ఉందండి? minimum ఎంత ఉండొచ్చు? 15. maximum ఎంత right అండి? Right now what the value that we have?
56.
by default notes ఉంటుంది తెలుగుగా ఏం చేయండి by default సోర్స్ ఉంటుంది if you don't want to have that one
No, sir.
I'm pulling the session and I'll review the session again. Data, class, set the access class. Not again, if I use this program, where the class doesn't get created. Why the one? Because what is it? Default. You know why it is default? Because by default we are going to have a global option. So in that we are going to have user is equal to 1. That's why what is the default? User is equal to 1. Now see what I'm going to do. On my desktop, I have my data folder. Okay? My data folder is empty folder. I'm creating a library to this one. Shift right click. Copy as path. Go to the program. Now I'm writing new name. Library reference name Srini. The path of the folder is equivalent. Execute this one, right? What is the library I'm having now? See, you know what I'm going to do? Now I'm writing options. User is equal to Srini. If I say execute this statement now, you know from now onwards, who is my default library? Srini is going to be my default library. And if you one level in outside body, you can say what the design is. Srini is equal to Srini. The only data class are optional. You can say what the Srini. Srini, because right now Srini is my default library. But whatever say that my main data, so what kind of language you automation to the level of work. Okay, this is the way to work. అంటే ఇప్పుడు శ్రీని కంపెనీకి ఎక్కడ సేల్ చేయాలి కానీ టూ లెవెల్ ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే శ్రీని ఇస్ కీపర్ వర్క్ ఇస్ నాట్ కీపర్ మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ వర్క్ కనుక కీపర్ కి చేంజ్ చేయాలి ఏం చేయాలి ఇప్పుడు ఆప్షన్స్ యూజర్ ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ టు అమౌంట్ వచ్చి వర్క్ చేసుకోవాలి కీపర్ But can you summary tell me how the data will print in the first observation? So we have data, in-stream data like this one. What information is it? Okay. We have a 2 digit here, so we should take 7 dots. But I want to display the date in format. In-stream data date format only, so I have given date 7 format. But I want to display 4 digit here. How 21 September 70 will print? How this will print? Like 21 September 19 or May 56. How it will print?
Sir, SARS permission.
Or May 19 and how this 19 August 25 will print? How the 19th August 25 will print? I tell you,
Sir, can we check here, sir? Only desktop model and business display.
Pardon, come again?
Sir, only desktop model and business display like one.
It's not okay, Krishna.
అవును సార్ సార్ కనిపించారు
No, sir.
Can you see? Can somebody know how the 19th August 35 will print now? 19th August? 1935 or 2035? Okay, 2035. How 13th January 01 will print? 2018? 2018. 1980. 47? 2047. 95? Right. 47 is the 1947. Only 88 and 2018 goes in 95? Okay. 96, 80. So, they forget option, is that? Understand my question? Why is 70 is 1970? Why not 2070? Why not 2170? Why not 1870? Why not 1770? Remember, in the data, if you have a 2-digit here, remember, data can have a 2-digit here only. If you are requesting for 4-digit format, 4-digit here format, 4-digit here format also important. In the back end, we are going to have a global option. Here, what is global option that we are going to have? Here, cutoff. Here, ID for year cutoff is 1926. Then from 1926, it will take 100 years. 1926 to 100 years again, 2025. In 70 will come which value of this range? 70, ये range is fit out in 1970, so you can take it. And 56 will fit where? 19? And 35 will fit there where? 1935. And the 01 will fit 2000. And 80 will fit as?
1980.
And 47 will fit as? 1947. And 95 will fit as? So what is year cutoff value by default that we have? 19, 26. So that's why if I do the program, I have a demo data set. 70 is coming as 1978, 56, 1956, 1 is coming as 2001, and 47, 1947, 80, 1980, and 95 as 1980. If when the data contains 2-digit year, but if you are requesting for 4-digit format, then only year cutoff will come to action. But in year cutoff means 1750 changes. 1750 changes is only prove 100 years. 100 years and then prove 18, 49. But 17 across 9. 17, 17. And 56 and across 9. 17, 56. 35 day. 18, 35. 0 on the day. 18, 0 1. 18. 47. 47, 95.
79.
79. See? This is how it is. Understand? But if you have me, how many people? We are 50 percent. The problem is that 100 years. 100 years and then 214. 70 years. 2070. 2056. 35. 2135. 01. 2101. 80. 2080. 47. 2147. 95. 2095. But when this comes to the action, the person is funny. If we find this అది ఫార్మాట్ మాత్రం 4-digit రాష్ట్రంలో వర్క్ అవుతుంది. అలా కాకుండా మీకు డేటాలోనే నాకు 17 వచ్చేసింది అనుకోండి, నో ప్రాబ్లం. What I'm doing here, I'm creating a data set. While I'm creating a data set, I'm applying a format called $gen for which variable? Since I did $gen is a user defined format. Do we have the format right now? No, we don't have that format. So since we don't have the format, what is going to happen if I input this program? Either that's going to get created or what will happen? Will it get created without format? How? Whenever you try to apply a format, if the format is not available in the session, the program will not be get executed, you won't get the result. In application format లేదనుకోండి, at least I want to have original data. Without the format, I want to have the data. But if you apply a format, if the format is not available, the program will not be getting executed at all. You know why? Because by default, we are going to have global options. Options, we are going to have an option called FMD error. By default, at a format error, the program execute avattu. Now, I am changing that into no FMD error. No FMD error, the program execute definitely. I have a class. Is the program executed? Yes. And we got the original data. So, whatever the user-defined format or any format that you are applying, if that format is not available, by default the program will stop executing. So, but if you want to execute bypassing that format, now we should write no FMD error. By default we have FMD error. This is the data. Here the program executes a name variable values around 10. How we are going to have name values? In the same way how we have given in the raw data, so text raw data using data. In the same way, we are going to have values in the data set of the name variable. But yeah, this is how we are going to have. Since in the raw data, I have the Ramesh uppercase, we have Ramesh uppercase, uppercase, lowercase, mixed case, we are going to have. You know why? In the data, all this by default, we are going to have options called no caps. By default, no caps. So So because since we have a no caps, in whichever way you have it in the data, it is going to be the same way. Now I'm changing that into no caps into caps. ఒకసారి క్యాప్స్ పెట్టి ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేస్తాను చూడండి. మీరు రా డేటాలో డేటా ఎలా ఉన్నా కానీ అల్టిమేట్ గా డేటా ఎలా ఉందో చూడండి. డేటా సెట్ ఉందా? Only capital letters. This works only for in-stream data. So by default we have a no caps. If you have a no caps, in whichever way you have written the data, we are going to have in the same manner. But if you change the no caps into caps, all the raw data, in-stream data will get converted into character, will get converted into uppercase.
पुस्तक उठ रहे थे जी बारी बारी
Finally, tell me what is going to happen if I have the proc print semicolon, such proc print data is equal to sans help.class in observation print होते हैं. हमने observation किया? Because sans help.class का है in observation, you're going to get all the negative observations. But if I say sans help.hot or sans point print होते हैं, हम तो in observation का negative होते हैं, isn't it? Because in the sans help.we have 5,209 observations, so it is going to print all the 5,209 observations. Because we have so many observations. But now generally proc print into రాస్తామంటే sampling, అసలు డేటా ముందర చెక్ చేసుకోవడం కోసం. నాకు అన్ని ప్రింట్ అవ్వదు, ఏదో శాంపుల్ ఒక 5 observations ప్రింట్ అయితే చాలు. దానికోసం ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తాను? I'm getting options. Row base is equal to by default we have a max. That's like every time it is going to print all the observations. So class contains 19, it will print all the 19 observations. Now I'm changing that the row base is equal to max to and the row base is equal to 5. From now onwards, whatever the class it might be, how many observations will print back now? It is going to print only the 5 observations. In the level 5 print only 5 observations. Now I'm getting, row base is equal to 3 and I'm getting sans.hours. Even though we have 420 observations, it is going to print only 3 observations because I kept the global option 3. By default, the row base is equal to actions. Observations only row base మాత్రమే ఉంటుంది. Tell me what are the other options of the nodes and source? What are the options that we have seen?
Here, cutoff.
Here user is equal by default ఉంటుందండి. Here cutoff is equal by default ఉంటుందండి. Here ఉంటుందండి.
100 EX.
Changes on.
Format
Here change. Changes on. Default ఉంటుందండి. Change that into. Can use on. So these are some of the global options that we use very regularly. Okay? In future, if we are coming across any new global options, I will let you know. మీరు అన్ని తీసేసి ఒకే స్టేట్లో రాసేసింది. Okay. In tomorrow's class, we see another episode. Okay? See you tomorrow.